Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about the water resources of Pakistan. Water reservoirs of Pakistan. Pakistan can be divided into three hydrological units. The Indus Basin, which covering more than 71% of territory, comprising whole of province of Punjab, Sindh, KPK and eastern part of the Balochistan. The Karan Desert in the west of Balochistan, in the west of country, which is an endorheic basin covering 15% of territory. The water discharge in Hamun Mashkel Lake in southwest at the border with Iran. The arid Makran coast along the Arabian Sea covering 40% of territory in its southwestern part, Balochistan province. The Hab, the Poralai, Hangol and Dasht are the principal river of the coastal zone. Rivers of Pakistan. Pakistan have 24 rivers. 4 in Sindh, 7 in Balochistan, 8 in KP and 5 in Punjab. The main rivers of Pakistan are Indus and its tributaries, but there are other rivers are Aston, Chenab, Dasht, Dashtari, Gambelia, Chagad, Hakra, Khizar, Gilgat, Gomal, Hab, Angol, Hamza, Kabul, Sawat, Kundar, Kunar, Kurram, Layari, Malir, Panjgoda, Ravi, Shigar, Shimshal, Satluj, Sawan, Tuchi and Zob. Dams, a physical barrier constructed across a river or waterway to control the flow of or raise the level of water. The purpose of construction may be for flood control, irrigation need, hydroelectric power production or recreation usage. There are so many dams in Pakistan including Mangla, Akra Kor, Bajol, Gorakh Hangol Dam, Hab Dam, Mirani Dam, Naulong Dam, Damis, Satpara, Gabbir Kalabag. In future, Karak, Palai, Tanda Dam, Tarbela Varsak, Darbi, Dongani, Khai, Chinot, Darawat, Karunjar, Naingaj, Chotiari. Barrages, a type of dam which consists of a line large gates that can be opened or closed to control the amount of water passing the dam. Only used for irrigation system and storage of water. Barrages in Pakistan. There are main barrages of Pakistan are Guddu, Kotri, Sakhar, Balakui, Chashma, Islam, Barrajna, Khanki, Marla, Panjnad, Kadrabad, Asul, Sindhani, Suleiman Ki, Tunsa Barrage, Trimu Barrage, Munda Headwork. This is the map. Dam, barrage, proposal of dams. Indus Basin Treaty 1916. The treaty is made a simple and straightforward attempt to let both adversaries share and available water resources. The divide was a clear as between the east and the west. The three western rivers were allocated to Pakistan with some reservation and three eastern rivers were given to India. The treaty fixed the right and obligation of India and Pakistan in relation to each other. India has been using as average 33 million acre feet of water from the eastern river and has built several dams and barrages to supply water to its Punjab province along with its neighbouring states. The project was sponsored by UK, Germany, Australia, New Zealand and Canada and was administered by IBRD, International World Bank. Saline Future of Indus Basin Treaty, Article 2, Article 3, Article 4. Article 2. All water of the eastern rivers Ravi, Satluj, Beas shall be available for the unrestricted use of India, Pakistan shall be under obligation to let flow all water of the eastern river and shall not permit any interference with the water of these rivers except for domestic use and non-consumptive use. The navigation, floating of timber or other property, flood protection or flood control, fishing or fishing culture, wildlife. Article 3 Annex D. All water of western river including Indus, Jhelum and Chenab shall be available for unrestricted use of Pakistan. India shall be under obligation to let flow all the water of western river and shall not permit any interference with the water of these rivers except for domestic and non-consumptive use, limited agriculture use and limited utilization for generation of hydraulic electric power. Article number 3. India shall not store any water or construct any storage work on the western river except as provided in Annex D and E of Treaty. Article 4. India shall not increase the catchment area beyond the area on the effective data of any natural or artificial drainage or drain which crossed into the Pakistan shall not undertake such construction or remodeling of any drainage or drain whose crossing might use material damage in Pakistan or entail the construction of a new drain or enlargement of an existing drainage or drain in Pakistan. Eastern and western tributaries, rivers, dams, barrages, Pakistan and India dispute over the water. Bulgar Dam project located on the Chenab River by India in Jammu and Kashmir. Construction is said to be somewhere between one-third and one-half complete. Violation of Indus Basin Treaty. Causes of conflict. Design of hydropower project violate the terms of the Indus Water Treaty as the submerged gate, spillway and other structure will India's storage capacity far beyond what allowed under the agreement. The dam would increase India's storage capacity 1,46,000 acre feet, which is much higher than agreed capacity under the treaty. Bulgar Dam's planned height is about 144.5 meter, which could interfere with the flow of water into Pakistan. The dam's bondage capacity is 37.722 million cubic meter of water is then twice allowed bondage under the Indus Water Treaty. The huge pond facility of dam would also slow down the flow of water to Pakistan. Construction is said to be somewhere between one-third and one-half complete. Indo-Pakistan dispute on Bulgar Dam. Pakistan's contention that Bulgaria hydropower project allow India for more water storage than agreed. India said that project meets the criteria laid out in 1916 Indus Water Treaty. Pakistan has requested the World Bank for appointment of neutral expert to resolve the difference with India and Bulgaria. World Bank said that it is not a guarantor of 1960 treaty and that difference would be referred to a neutral expert under the laid down procedure. Salal Dam, another dam constructed on Ravi Chenab, again violation of Indus Basin Treaty. The first dispute India and Pakistan were engaged in was over the construction of Salal Dam by India and Chenab. In 1974, Pakistan officially objected to design of Salal project, arguing that it does not conform to criteria for design of such hydraulic electric power project laid down under the treaty. Kishan Ganga Talbul hydropower project, 330 megawatt project across the river Neelam, a tributary of Jhelum, center on the diversion of water from one tributary of the river to another. Pakistan's view violation of Indus Treaty. India's view the divergence